Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular notifications, I started one Telegram group and the link I kept in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may join. And in this video, we are going to see the very important official update from the University Grants Commissions regarding the National Eligibility Test exam of the December 2020. So due to the pandemic situation, the June 2020 exam was conducted on November and September, but the December 2020 exam is not conducted, and it is officially one update came regarding this one, that the exam is postponed, or it is going to be conducted on March or April 2021. So that one I'm going to show you right. So before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy Electronic Science as well as a General Paper 1 educator. So we will see one small announcement. The candidates who are waiting for the UGC NET Electronic Science complete course, so here from Feb 1st 2021 onwards, for the new batch, the course is going to start from the Unacademy. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. So here the different subscription plans are mentioned on the screen. You may take any one of the subscription plan based upon when you are planning to write the exam. And here my referral code is also mentioned, that is Ashwani K. Okay, if you want to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plans, then you may use my referral code. So now while coming to the present content of the video, here you may check down in the official website of the ugcnta.nic.in. So in this official website, here you may check down in the introduction part. See guys, here UGC NET is conducted twice every year. However, in 2020, due to the pandemic, the June 2020 examination got delayed and was deferred to September 2020 until November 2020 to cover all the subjects. The December 2020 cycle had to be postponed and is now being conducted in March-April 2021. Okay, so it is a latest update regarding the UGC NET December 2020 exam, guys. So the candidates who are eagerly waiting for this December session, it is going to be happen in the March to April 2021. So soon we are going to get the notification, okay, in the month of Feb in the National Testing Agency, okay, as per this statement or the update here. And the notification starting date and the closing date gap also will be very small, because if they want to conduct the exam March to April means the online application duration time also will be small. I mean, less duration will be there, and issuing the admit card duration is also will be less. Fine. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, just speed up your preparation. Okay, so based upon this official update released in the website, okay, so I'm referring all of you, and share this video to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam. It's a very big update and the important update too. Fine. And please subscribe my channel to get the regular notifications. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is SWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.